Hi guys! Let's learn how to create an eBay seller account after preparing new user information and a clean profile with Hidemyacc in this video. First, run the profile on the Untitled browser. I use US proxy to create a US eBay account. Then, access eBay's homepage and choose to register a new account. Fill in the information that eBay requires. Especially, you must have a phone number for verification. You can use a phone number rental service to receive the verification code. If you've prepared new user information in clean environment as mentioned in part 2, you'll successfully register a new eBay account, even if your previous account has been suspended. To become a seller, you can access My eBay and then choose Selling. Becoming an eBay seller is not as difficult as on Etsy, but you need to warm up the account carefully before starting to sell anything. If you try to sell products with newly created accounts, eBay might suspend this account. You can warm up eBay accounts by following these steps. First, update your account information fully. For example, update the username, verify your email or phone number, and update your address and payment methods. You can review the detailed process in part 2. Next is how to warm up account. You can start by searching for products on eBay, viewing the product categories of other sellers, checking the feedback of buyers, adding products to your cart, and checking out like a real user. The more natural the warm up process is, the better. You should buy a few low-value products and leave feedback. This helps make your account look like a real user. To make a payment, you must add your card. You can use Visa, debit, or credit cards. If you manage only a few accounts, you can nurture them manually. If you're dealing with multiple accounts, you can refer to automation scripts in the Anti-Detect browser tool. Every day, just go to eBay, search, and browse products. After about 2 weeks, you can start as a seller and list products. For seller accounts, you should use eBay Seller Hub. This is a sales management tool that helps you track orders, revenue, feedback, create ads, etc. for your store. In the listing section, eBay supports many ways to list products. For example, manual listing, using images, or uploading bulk files, etc. For new accounts, you should list manually for safety. Additionally, you can create listing templates for similar products, like phone accessories or clothing. In the next part, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to list your first product on eBay, as well as how to optimize your listings for SEO. When you start getting sales, you can manage them in the order section. This includes orders that are being shipped, pending payment, completed orders, or returned orders. Note that all orders must have tracking numbers updated. To set shipping info, you access the shipping section. For example, you can exclude shipping to certain areas, both domestically and internationally. Or you can update shipping price tables for different areas based on weight or size. When a customer places an order, eBay will automatically calculate and display the shipping fee based on the pricing table you set. Some additional information can also be updated, like working hours, allowing buyers to combine payments for multiple orders, or offering shipping discounts when customers buy multiple items. eBay offers several store subscription packages with different prices that you can refer to. The higher the package, the more listings you get for free. Every month, eBay limits you to 50 free listings. If you want to post more, you have to pay 30 cents for each additional listing. If you choose to buy a store package, you'll get free listings based on the package you select. However, if you're just starting out and don't have stable sales, you don't need to register for a store package yet. Just operate for a while first, and if necessary, you can register later. Next is the feedback section. You must enable customer comments in order to list products. Feedback scores are very important. If your account has a low feedback score, eBay may suspend your account to protect buyers. Additionally, to attract customers, you can create vouchers, coupons, or sale events in the marketing section. However, this feature is limited to accounts that have registered for an eBay store subscription. If you're on a personal account, you can still run ads for listings on eBay or off-site eBay to attract new buyers. Of course, you'll have to pay a fee to eBay based on the revenue from the order. The fee will vary depending on the type of campaign you choose as well as the product. Above are the basic details on how to become an eBay seller and manage your seller account effectively. The process of becoming a seller on eBay is not as difficult or complicated as Etsy. In Part 4, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to list products and optimize SEO effectively. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Hidemyacc's YouTube channel so you won't miss the upcoming parts. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or contact Hidemyacc support through live chat for the quickest support.